Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your Bitcoin on the Binance Mobile App step by step. Our first step being that we open up Binance. After opening up Binance, I need to mention that there are two ways in which you can purchase your Bitcoin. By simply using the P2P method, you can purchase your BTC at your local rates. Whatever currency you're using, the Bitcoin would be made available to you at your local rates, which you buy. And then also you could as well as convert your currencies, whatever token you have deposited. So you head over to the deposit section. Once at the deposit section, you select the currency you'd love to or you'd like to deposit for in exchange for BTC. So if you were to deposit BUSD, you simply copy your BUSD wallet address and you deposit on this Binance application. Once your deposit has been completed, you head over to the convert section where you simply click on BUSD BTC and then you click on max and then you click on preview conversion. And now you're getting, for 9 BUSD, you're getting 0.0046 BTC. So guys, that's how you can simply buy your Bitcoin on the Binance application. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.